What's up, guys? It's me, Savannah. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that share button. Turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, we are going to be lighting fireworks.
Oh, what's right behind you?
I'm using Here, guys. Here's my viewing. Her name is Stripes.
Stripes.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first firework we have is called a disco turkey. Disco.
Can I tell you what I think it's gonna be? I think it's gonna shoot off and make this turkey with dancing with a disc.
Make it turkey. Wait, so oh my. Well, was that fun?
Yeah, it looks like a turkey. But TV and City were watching.
They're watching too. Whoa. That's firework?
That smells like smoke.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like smoke. Or should we do at least one more?
Yeah.
The next one is going to be called the short sack. Savannah, you want to go put that one out in the yard a little bit? About where the wild turkey is?
That's weird.
And
Is that stuff still there?
you're okay. Well, go put that down where about where the wild turkey is, and go back up on the deck.
It's here. It's here. I don't know.
There you go.
Right there.
Now go back up in the net.
I hope it doesn't. It's
This one was only $1 at Walmart,
Whoa.
so we'll see how cool this one is. Wait, Savannah, which one was cooler? Both? So the wild turkey was $3 at Walmart, and that short sack was $1, right?
Yeah.
And they were both kind of fun, right? Yeah. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video, right, Savannah?
Yeah. And make sure to give me a thumbs up.
Click the subscribe button.
Yeah, down below.